Hi, I'm Caleb Moodis-Paul at the Greenfield Branch Library of the Highland County District Library. I'm here to talk to you guys today about how to log into the website so that you can order and place holds on books for curbside pickup. Now, it's important to remember that when you're logging into the website, you're going to need two things. One, you're going to need your library card number, and second, you're going to need your 4-digit PIN number. Now, that's the same PIN number you might use if you're logging into the computer here at our branch. Alright, so enough talking. Let's actually show you how to do this. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to start out with our search engine, which is either Internet Explorer or, in my case, Firefox. And we're going to type up in the top search bar, Highland County District Library. What that's going to do is it's going to bring us to a link where we can click and find our home webpage. And you can see the calendar and dates and other links to some things. But what we're going to do is go to the top right corner, click My Account. And this is where your card information comes in. So you're going to type in your card number and your 4-digit PIN, and it will bring you to another page where you can start to search and look for whatever item that you want. So let's go. In my case, I want to look up Gone with the Wind. It's a great book, a great movie, historically accurate. The page here you can see has a number of versions and variations of the book from different places. I want to make sure I click one that's within the county because at the moment we're only getting books that are within our county. So we can place a hold on one of those. I found one that's a tangible copy and it looks to be available, so I am going to click it and then click place hold and OK. And what that will do is that we'll go ahead and place the hold, and then we will be able to see it at our branch. Now, I want to verify that I put a hold on it because I don't want to wait for a few days and then find out that I did something wrong. So I want to go back to my account. I'm going to type in Gone with the Wind again. I'm going to pull up my account from the top right hand side of that web page. And what I can do is go to my account and I can look and see the list of all of my holds. I'll click the holds tab and you can see right there at the very bottom, Gone with the Wind. So it is placed on hold and it is soon to be awaiting me at the library. And there's how you do it. Now remember, you can order curbside pickup through your SEO Libraries app, through online like we just showed you, or through calling your branch. Now don't forget, you can utilize two wonderful apps, Libby by Overdrive and Hoopla, which I'll show you how to use in another video, clicking the links at the bottom of the page. So as we begin to slowly move out of quarantine, we hope that you'll use the curbside pickup to get your favorite books and movies today. Have a good day.